morning, guys. We are at Pasir Ris Car Park F. I would think so. Right, today is a special day. Today there will be some kids going out there to try out Kayak Fishing. It's a charity event organized by SKC and the guys. Hopefully it will be a good one. I'm here with Kenji from TokiDoki. We will be covering the event for today to about 11 o'clock before we have to head off.
Yeah, we're not fishermen, we're media guys.
Yeah, media guys today. Weather doesn't look so good, but hopefully the sun comes out and wind blows the clouds away so that the kids will have awesome fun.
And
So safety, yeah?
Yes,
Yeah, safety. So off we go. Let's see what happens. Bye.
Welcome to the first, I think this is the first SKC event and we are beginning on a right foot whereby we are giving back to the community. This is not my event, this is not Herman's event, this is our event. Okay, I thank all of you all, everyone who contributed a lot of things inside the goodie bag. So right now, the goodie bag, earlier on I spoke to, we will split the goodie bag into two bags. One is pre, one is post. Okay, so kalau boleh, after this, right, just help me quickly pre and post. When the kids register, then we give it to them. Yeah, definitely we will all help together. Okay, anything along the way, anything. Herman? Anything I miss out?
Very simple lah. Kids will be kids. They'll be very playful. They try to do funny things. So the ones taking them out on the kayak especially, okay, you have to control them a bit. Tell them to sit. If they're unsure about anything, get back to you. Okay, so you control. So again, it's a tandem. Okay, only one pedal drive, so that we don't let them pedal. Okay, they just sit, relax, enjoy the show. We pedal, we control everything. We be at the back, they be at the front, so we can see them. Okay, so remind them, don't sit. Anything happens, don't panic. Take over, especially like sangkut, all this. They will not know what to do.
Yang lain semua sana. Straight line. One straight line. Come lah, come kucing. Okay. Wait. Guys, lift up your hand again. We are at the open area, so everyone is looking at us. So we must maintain social distancing. Okay? Can? Cooperate with us. Let's have fun today. Okay? Can? Okay. Today what we're gonna do is we're gonna do kayak fishing. So all the abang-abang here will be out here to do kayak fishing. Step number 1, we're gonna take your temperature. Bang, ambil temperature bang. Abang Herman here is gonna lead you all on a warm up. Warm up, Ken?
Okay, simple aja. Okay, so we loosen up. Jadi nanti kat atas kayak you feel a bit more comfortable. Okay, so spread out a bit more, move back a bit. Okay, okay, we start from top to bottom. Very simple. Okay, head rotation, just rotate. When I say change direction, you just change the other way. Okay, change the other way.
It's going to be breakfast time for the kids. We're just done with the briefing and warm up. It's going to be awesome time, I guess. Good job, guys. Hey, now you look like a professional, bro.
Hey, you can take the whatever you want to. You take the number. There you go. So you have to get your bum.
Okay, group 1, are you ready? Group 1. Okay. Siapa nak bawa Ikram? Ready? Ready Bro? Can?
Okay, alamak, comfortable cockpit. Enjoy yourself and stay safe, So is this your first time on a kayak?
No.
First time kayak fishing?
Yeah.
Nice. So you enjoy it? Stay safe? Nice.
This one too long, then you adjust.
Foresee he will be a potential fisherman for life with this boy. Go and cast net for udang. Boleh-boleh. Nice!
Oh,
that's a good one. Kau bermain, let me know ah.
Okay, Kila, can you turn to the left? Let's see what fish you have. Oh, another antenna fish. Kila, better than nothing lah. Huh? That's fun to catch a fish.
The second one.
Is that fun? You want bigger fish? You want bigger fish? Oh, see, that's it, girl. Okay, dream big. Always go big or go home. Correct. that's the saying. Go big or go home. Okay lah, we keep on trying. Okay, just to have fun. Okay, I hope Kila is having fun.
Of course, I'm enjoying. The
Good.
weather is so great.
Yes, very good weather today. Hey, wait.
Okay, welcome back. Are you happy? Yes. Congratulations.
Okay, stay. Okay, stay. Okay, come. Okay, come. Come up first.
Baik lah, besar.
Oh. Oh. Hey.
Badan macam ni.
Life jacket.
Hey, look here.
Oh, are you ready, right?
Hey. Are you happy or not?
Come.
Enjoy yourself. Nice. Ask you a question. How do you find the fishing?
Very good.
Very good. How about yourself? You enjoy?
Yeah, quite great. Even though one fish only.
One fish better than no fish. Oh, I thought the fish kena me. Don't scare me, bro. So what he's doing now is he used the sand to remove the slime. Right? Yeah, because the fish got. Yeah, so he used the sand to remove the slime.
So slimy.
Yeah, so once you do that, there's so much slime on the fish. Yeah, sorry, Herman. You kena sabu.
That's why eye protection is important.
Okay, don't worry, you're in safe hands. Just sit down, enjoy.
Hold. Okay, move me back.
Okay, bye. So the first group of the guys are back. They caught a massive 5 kilo catfish. I think the kids really enjoyed themselves. And yeah, so they're going to swap out. The other group will be doing a net casting. And overall, it was an awesome day. Great initiative by the guys from SKC. Hopefully there'll be more. And hopefully these kids will, go back with awesome memories of today. So see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.